In this video, we are going to dive into something really powerful in SQL, conditional logic using case statement. So this is going to allow us to make the decision within our SQL queries, much like choosing the different paths based on the conditions in real life. So let's start with the case statement. So what is case statement? It's like a set of if-then condition which you can directly write in your SQL queries. So why we are dealing with the case statement? So it is allowing us to return the different result based on the certain condition. Think of it as a way to categorize or to label the data based on a specific rule. So how does it works? So a case statement, it is going to check each of the condition in an order, and when it finds one that is true, then it is going to return the corresponding value. So here we have a students table which consists of student ID column, student name and the grade column. Now, if you want to categorize the students based on their grades, let's say the students who have got the grade value which is greater than and equal to 90, the grade category should be A, and who got greater than or equal to 80, that category should be B, and who has got the grade value which is greater than and equal to 70, then the category should be C. Whatever we have less than that, that will be the fail. If I want to categorize the grade or if I want to categorize the students based on the grade value, we can use the case statement. Let's start. I'll just select student name. Select student name and I'll start the case statement. Case when grade value is greater than equal to 90, then the grade category should be A. Another condition, when grade value is greater than equal to 80, then grade category should be B. When grade value is greater than equal to 70, then category should be C. And then else part, else it should be F, which is fail. And then end as we are going to create a new column for this grade category, which is grade category. And from which table? Our table name is students. Run this cell and just check I'm getting the grade category column added. And here each student is assigned a category A, B, C or F based on their grade. The case statement is going to check the grade and it is going to return the corresponding category with respect to that grade value. Thank you.